Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to buy Windows 11 Pro key for a low price. Windows 10 support has officially ended, meaning no updates and higher security risks. Upgrading to Windows 11 is now a smart choice for better performance and protection. But avoid free or cracked activation. It can cause legal issues and system instability. For personal use, retail and OEM licenses are common. Retail keys are expensive, while OEM keys are more affordable and offer lifetime activation. That's why I upgraded to Windows 11 using a genuine license. I chose WinSoff for an affordable and reliable option. Go to www.winsoft.com. Here you can see many more software licenses. But I will show how to buy a Windows 11 Pro license. Search Win 11. I select my one, you select your desired one. Click Add to Cart. Click View Cart. Enter the discount code TT52 for 52% off. All information below description. Click Apply Discount Code. Click Proceed to Checkout. See total amount now changed. Fill all the payment information. Click Update. Now click Placed Order. Now enter your card information. I fill my information. After complete payment, license mail will be come to your mail. Why you choose WinSoft? Free delivery, safe payment system, shop with confidence, 24/7 hours customer service, high satisfaction. That's it. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.